Hello, South Lebanon. This is Mr. Brown, the principal at South Lebanon Elementary School, and I'm excited to talk to you about our new program called SOAR. It is a great day to be a Falcon, and our kids are going to soar this year. To start off, to talk to you about SOAR, I need to tell you what it means. SOAR means strive for success, own my actions, accept differences, and respect people and property. We're going to be working very hard to reward our students for meeting these expectations. As the students meet these expectations, we're going to be giving them points. We'll be using a program called Class Dojo to give students points. Every time a student is caught doing something good and meeting these expectations, they will receive a positive dojo point. When they are caught doing something negative, they could receive a negative dojo point. There will be some sort of communication home to you when the student receives a positive or a negative dojo point. This will be up to your teacher about the frequency of communication and frequency of points given. In order to implement these things into our school and get our students excited about SOAR, we are also going to have monthly rewards for students who have done these things, striving for success, owning their actions, accepting differences, and respecting people and property. We feel strongly that these are the core values that we want our students to have. In order to have these monthly rewards, our kids have to achieve 80% or better of positive points. The reason that we chose 80% or better is because we feel it's important that students learn from their mistakes. We feel that we need to teach kids that it's okay to make a mistake and that you can still earn your reward, and you can still earn your reward, but you need to make sure that you're working hard to achieve these monthly rewards. Our committee of teachers will be working hard to make fun and exciting monthly rewards for our students. We will provide information home each month on the upcoming reward. We are excited about this new program, and we would appreciate your support in talking to your students about the SOAR program. As I said earlier, Class Dojo is going to be a tool that we're going to be using, and you will receive information about Class Dojo and how to use it on your end, as our teachers are also utilizing it here at school. Thanks again for your support, and have a great rest of the summer, and we will see you on Monday.